Right now you can get up to 16 free stocks, 15 of them valued up to $2,000 a share by using my link in the description below. Right now you can also get one free share of Tesla or Google depending on your deposit amount. Keep in mind this offer ends September 30th. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Finally, if you guys could subscribe to my new YouTube channel, I'll put a link to it in the description below. I would really appreciate that. So, day trading is over on Robinhood. What do I mean by this? So something very important happened yesterday that I need to warn you guys about, and it has to do with PDT on Robinhood, pattern day trading rule on Robinhood. So we need to first understand what a day trade is. So let's go over here to this document that Robinhood has on their website. So pattern day trading rules are defined by FINRA, one of our regulators. So again, let's first start by defining what a day trade is. So remember, a day trade is when you buy and sell or sell and buy the same stock security within a single trading day, or you open and close the same options contract within a single trading day. That's how you define a day trade. Now, let me first say this right away here. PDT, the pattern day trading rules, don't apply to cash accounts. Now, the issue though with using a cash account, the biggest issue I see is that you don't have access to level 3 options. And that's why a lot of people don't switch over to cash accounts, because you don't have access to level 3 option strategies. So that would be, iron condors, iron butterflies, strangle, straddles, all those things. You don't have access to those anymore. All you can do is buy a call, buy a put, sell a call, sell a put. That's why a lot of people don't switch over to cash accounts. But PDT rules don't apply to cash accounts. They only apply to margin accounts and IRA limited margin accounts. They also don't apply if you have a portfolio value of at least $25,000. So we'll take a look at that here as well. So let's continue here. So what actually is the PDT rule? So your account will be flagged for pattern day trading if you make 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days, and the number of day trades represents more than 6% of your total trades in the same 5 trading day period. If your account is flagged for PDT, you're required to have a portfolio value of at least $25,000 to continue day trading. Now, why do I say that day trading is over on Robinhood? Well, because before, when you got flagged as a pattern day trader, all you would have to do is wait 90 days, and that flag would then be removed. Okay, so let's say you got flagged as a pattern day trader, back on January 2nd or whatever that first day the market was open this year was. Right, all you would have to do then was wait 90 days, that flag would be removed, and you could continue to day trade. However, starting yesterday, September 5th, this has now changed, and I want to make sure you guys are aware of this. And I talked about this a long while back when they first mentioned this, but now that it's actually in effect, again, I want to make sure you guys understand this and you guys don't get into a situation you don't want to get yourselves into. So our pattern day trading PDT policy has changed September 5th, 2023. This was yesterday. Per FINRA regulations, PDT flags will remain on your account indefinitely outside of extraordinary circumstances. So if you get flagged as a PDT, if you get that PDT flag now, you no longer can wait 90 days and then it gets removed. Now it's on your account forever, which basically means, you're basically stuck to either you're never able to day trade again on that account. You need to get your account portfolio value up to $25,000, or you'd have to switch to a cash account. But again, when you switch to a cash account, you do lose out on a lot of things, and I've talked about that in the past. So, that's it's a pretty big change. And I think there's a lot of people I've met that do get that PDT flag. They wait the 90 days, they start day trading again. Well, now once you get this PDT flag, day trading is basically over for you, right? Now, there is a one-time flag removal allowed. So that's only if you haven't used it already, right? So if you take a look here, can I use my one-time removal? If you haven't already used it, you'll still be able to use your one-time pattern day trading flag removal. But if you've already used it, you're not going to get another one here. Now, what if you already have a PDT flag? So if you were flagged before yesterday, then the previous policy applies. The flag will expire 90 days after that flag was applied. Now, if you get flagged after yesterday, your account will be permanently flagged. If you were flagged before September 5th and play an additional day trade after September 5th, your account will be permanently flagged. So it's a big change, right? I can already see a lot of people getting this PDT flag, not being able to day trade anymore, and having to do something else. So what else can you do here? What else can we consider? If you do get this PDT flag, or how else can you day trade without having to, get to this PDT flag? So there's a couple of things here. Number one, place less than 4 day trades in a 5-day trading window, right? That's obviously the simplest thing here to avoid this whole issue here. Like I said, you can also switch over to a cash account, but there's going to be some cons to that, right? Again, biggest one I see people that don't like is that they lose access to level 3 options. Getting your portfolio value up to $25,000 is also another option, but again, it's easier said than done. The other option you could do, and I see a lot of people do this as well, sign up to other brokers as well. That way you'll have more day trades, right? Because if Robinhood gives you 3 day trades, and maybe let's say you go to a different broker, they also give you 3 day trades, and you go to a third one and they also give you 3 day trades, well, now you have 9 day trades in a 5-day trading window, right? And so with that being said, I'll put links to Moomoo and I'll put links to Webull in the description below. 2 other brokers you could consider signing up to, and again, having them for more day trades so that you don't have to do all, because maybe you want to do 5 day trades, and if you do that on just Robinhood, you're going to get this PDT flag. You'll never be able to day trade again. But you could do 3 day trades on Robinhood, 2 day trades on this other broker, or 1 day trade on this broker, 1 day trade on a different broker. So that's a different thing to consider as well. So again, as you guys can see, huge change just happened yesterday, and I think it's going to lead to a lot of people losing their ability to day trade. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, a link to it in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.